Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jane Frances Ezunye, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to achieve this beautiful Yankee twist that you can style so many different ways. Watch till the end to see the entire process.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With
So welcome back guys. How are you doing? Remember in my previous tutorial I did show you how we moved from wood to Yankee twist, and today I'll be doing the installation. By the way, if you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link for you at the end of this one. Check that out. So this is the cornrow pattern that I'll be using for this installation. Just a clean center part and then like individual cornrows going all the way from front to the back. And for the back, I just give myself a flat horizontal cornrow just in case I want to pack the hair all the way up. Now when you do just cornrows going straight from front to the back, you're giving yourself options, styling options. You could leave it as a center part, you can flip it on both sides as a side part, or you can take it all the way up because of the flat horizontal cornrow that we made at the back. So this is just giving you multiple styling option, and I started the installation at the back. This is pretty much self-explanatory. I wanted to start with two at once because of how tiny they were, but I just ended up installing them like one after the other. So I'm just gonna let you watch through the video and I'll be back. So my loves, as you watch through this process and enjoy the video, have you subscribed to the channel? If you haven't, please click that subscribe button and join the family. On here I upload videos about DIYs and on beautiful and trending hairstyles that sometimes cost a lot of money. I show you the hack and the tricks on how to make this by yourself. If that is something that interests you, please subscribe to the channel, turn your post notification bell on, and give this video a thumbs up so that it can reach more people. Thank you for stopping by. Keep watching guys. So guys, once I am in front, I'll just be taking it one cornrow after the other. Once I'm done with the one line, I go to the next line. Once I am done with one cornrow, I go to the next one, just line by line like that. This is pretty much easy. As you can see, if you do your cornrows, like if you have a clean part with your cornrows all the way from front to the back. You could have your center part, you could have your side part. Like this gives you option so that you don't have to carry your hair one particular style through the entire time you'll be keeping it. So yeah. Guys, this is what I have once I was done with the installation, and it's not looking together, so I have to shape this because it looks pretty much uneven. So I'm gonna trim this until I get my desired shape. Yeah, this is pretty much easy. I think the difficult, or should I say the time consuming one, is the making process of this Yankee twist. By the way, if you haven't seen that, I'll leave the link for you to check that out at the end. And not to worry, you can actually buy this. You don't have to go through the process of making it, but I like giving options to people that want it. So I know it's coming together, and it will come together by the time I am done with this and do my makeup, and I'll show you guys. Guys, this is the finished look. Like, look at this. Guys, I ate with this. I really did. Like, it's so pretty. Look at the movement you get with this. I'm rarely even shaking my head so much, but look at the movement you get with this, guys, and the longevity you get with this Yankee twist. Trust me, you gotta try this. Should I tell you the amount of requests I have gotten to recreate this for people who are willing to pay? I don't have time, but I might, because I would like to create this with column braiding hair and compare the two, or even for myself, because look at me, this looks really good on me. This is so me. So to recreate this style, you'll be needing one pack of the black, one pack of the orange. You're not going to use all of it. Like I said, I have between 220 to 250 twists on my hair. Please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, watch out for the styling video next. Thank you for stopping by. See you guys on my next one. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye guys.